Hello, yo, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night. It depends where you are. Brings here today a little sneak peek of how is going this new campaign of map2earn the world in 3D. So this is the price right now in this moment of the token of OVR. Is actually around 30 cents, and this is all the amount of rewards I could retire right now. I did 76 tokens with my maps and 66 extra rewards inside of the maps. So I did a total of 85 maps on the new campaign. Also on this December I did a little bit more because the campaign started actually day 11. So before 11 I was mapping also. So we also have actually the chances for earn the 1000 tokens with the monthly extraction. As you see here, the monthly draw is not yet done. So if we get lucky, we also will get a few extra tokens. So I wanted to show you that being the third one on the leaderboard, how much you can earn. This is 142 tokens on 30 cents, almost is $40 right now. I think my dedication with this was at least 1 hour per day, not that much. I think if you live in a center area or in a capital city, you can earn a lot of more tokens. If you think about it, I really recommend you to start to play with this app. It's very easy, it's not that hard. I also make tutorials so you can actually learn how to start to earn tokens, and wish you luck. So let me know if you like it, and wish you everyone a happy new year and a new start of this world. Thank you so much for coming, joining, and happy new year, Merry Christmas, late Christmas, and have a good life. Thank you.